Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate a key fob. Understanding your specific key fob technology is crucial for a successful duplication process. Most modern fobs operate using either a fixed code or a more secure rolling code system, which significantly dictates the method you will need to employ. Knowing these fundamental differences upfront prevents common errors and ensures full compatibility with your access system. Let's start by precisely identifying your current device. Identifying your key fob's type is the very first critical step in duplication. Fixed code fobs, often operating at frequencies like 315 MHz or 433 MHz, transmit an unchanging signal. Rolling code fobs, however, generate a unique new code every time they are used, significantly boosting security. You might find a small sticker or a series of numbers on your original fob that indicates its specific frequency or code type. To successfully duplicate your key fob, gathering the right tools is essential. You will primarily need a universal key fob duplicator device, which is designed to read and then write codes. Crucially, acquire several blank key fobs that are fully compatible with your original, matching both its frequency and the chip type. For some advanced rolling code systems, a dedicated smartphone application or specialized software might also be required to complete the pairing process. Now, let's walk through the actual duplication process. First, activate your duplicator and carefully place your original key fob on its designated scanning area. Allow the device to fully read and store the unique code. Once the reading is complete, carefully remove the original and position a new, blank key fob onto the same scanning area. Then, instruct the duplicator to write the captured code onto this new device. Some rolling code fobs will require a final, pairing directly with the system for activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.